Hi everyone! Welcome back and congratulations for getting to the last module of our learning material. After watching all the videos, you are now familiar with simpler and tidier R functions and is well prepared to start analyzing data by your own. This video will introduce some useful databases to you. If you want to practice using R and need some data for your analysis, you can find a suitable dataset in one of these platforms. First of all, R itself contains some useful datasets. There are two major ways for us to access them. First, we can go to RStudio and get datasets on the upper right console by clicking on these datasets to have an overview. Another way to access dataset in R is to use the data function. This function will show us all the datasets available within the packages that we loaded. This command will return all the dataset names and their descriptions. You may view the result and pick the one that suits your need. Next, we can access a lot of free resources from CUHK library website. The university purchased a lot of licenses for us. This is the homepage of the university library website. Click on the Database tab and we can view all the databases with license. We can use all of them with free of charge. Passport, ProQuest, Gartner, Statista are some commonly used databases that we recommend you to use. They are very useful platforms for you to find data and information. In addition to R practices, when you are working on school projects, you may also look for resources there. On the right-hand side of the website, there is a gateway for major databases. You can quickly access these databases by the link. In addition to these resources, the government's database also provides many datasets for us to use freely. For instance, the Hong Kong Census and Statistics Department publishes research data regularly on their website. If you are looking for data related to population, economics, income, or employment, it is highly recommended to find something useful on this platform. Lastly, if the above databases are not enough for you, you can also browse through these four websites. Some of them are free, but the others may require subscription fee. All in all, this module marks the end of the whole learning material. We hope that you enjoyed this learning journey with us. Thank you and wish you all the best.